Yes guys, what is going on? Welcome to the live stream. Right, how is everyone doing today? Hope everyone's doing well. Right, it's Friday. We have two sets of medium impact news. Okay, at 10 a.m. I'm pretty sure. However, all the red folder news has passed now, so we should be good to take some trades. And if we get a valid setup before that set of news, I will be taking it because it is only medium impact. We don't really pay attention to that. We only pay attention to red folder news, okay? Kindly, can you mention if the trade is A+ or regular before you take it? Yeah, for sure, bro. Right now, I'm looking for shorts, okay? Even though we have swept sell side, we have swept London lows, etc., it is looking bearish, okay? The daily time frame is also looking very bearish, and I'm expecting this low to get taken next. It's very obvious, so now that we've retraced back in this fair value gap, okay, I'm looking to take some shorts off this to target at least this low and then this low down here as well. But we will see what we get. Okay, we have swept data lows. So this is data low here. We have taken that out. So potentially we could even close this imbalance, all right, and take out data highs. So we'll see what price wants to do. I'm keeping a very neutral, open bias today as it is Friday, anything can happen. Would you look for OTE retracement of the range? Potentially, yes. Okay. We could potentially look for some shorts once price rebalance this inefficiency. But I mean, let's measure this out. We have already retraced into a discount. So this right here as well. Got a little unicorn model going on. This tiny 1 minute fair value gap. So as we have already retraced into, sorry, not a discount, into a premium, I'll be looking for shorts of this gap if it holds. Alright, so we still have a few minutes until macro. Once the macro comes along, we could take shorts off this. But it is a while, so we're probably gonna either push higher or, you know, this missed play, this trade here will just happen without us. But yeah, I'm waiting for the macro and we'll see what we get, guys. Not rushing any trades today. Alright, we're still up on the week, so let's see actually how much we're up. So we took a 98.5 handle win, and then the other day we took 2 losses, 45 handles, so we're still up 53.5 handles on the week, which is very good. Alright, very decent for NFP week anyway. NFP week usually I expect either break even or a little bit in profit. So 53 handles I'm pretty happy with. We have closed out NFP weeks like 200 handles, 300 handles before when price action was very, very good. But yeah, the year is only starting, so I'm letting the price action play out for now. Bro, but we closed 50% at 25 point. We don't 98 point on full size. That's not true, bro. So we closed 70% at 60 handles for that trade. 70%. So the majority of the trade was closed out at 60 handles, and then we rode the rest until 98.5. So yeah, that's not true, bro. A lot of people made a lot of money that day. Okay, that was a huge day. First TP was at 60 handles. So yeah. And of course, you don't have to close out 50%, guys. I tell you a lot how I trade. That's how I trade, all right? I know some people in the group, they take the signals, they close out at first TP. Alright, so first TP, 60 handles, they close fully out and they secure that. And they make a ton of money. So you don't have to close out 50%. Find your own strategy, find what works for you. Okay, this is just how I trade and how I teach you to trade starting out. But of course, as a developing trader, going into your journey, you want to find out what works for you. Alright, find your own model, find what works for you, guys. Don't just copy what I do. I mean, this is the whole point of live trading, is to show you my thought process, show you, you know, what I'm thinking before going into the trade, my mindset, psychology, etc., how much I'm risking. I know this is a signal service, however, you know, I don't want to be known for that. We are here to make money, but I'm also here to help you find your own trading model, alright? I know some people join us just to copy and make money off the signals. That's fair enough. Everyone has different goals, but the end goal, long-term goal of this is to for you to become independent trader. I don't want you to become, you know, dependent on me, dependent on my trades, because what if I die? Then all of you are cooked. You're all finished. You need to learn how to trade yourself. This is the whole point of the live streams, is to help you and teach you how to trade. All right? I don't want you guys being dependent on me. Why don't we set a fixed risk to reward like 1 to 2, or it doesn't work long term by using a fixed R? You could do, all right, but I want the trade to play out. So if I'm targeting this high and we take some of our position off over here, you could take full position off, all right? But if it runs that high, you know what I mean? You're not making the most out of that trade. And I want to make the most out of the trade. I want to let the trade play out, not take some profits here and that's it. All right, I'm trying to catch some big moves, and of course taking partials to be safe, because if it doesn't go our way, we still made money. Used to trade every day at the beginning, or just wait for a setup, so you can wait 3-4 days to take a trade. I don't understand your question, brother. I mean, yeah, if we don't get a setup, we will wait 3 to 4 days. There are some instances where that happens, but recently we have been taking trades mostly every day because there has been opportunity. But yeah, guys, also I'm thinking of releasing the mentorship very soon, so that's going to be on Whoop, one-time payment. You can purchase it. It's still in the works a little bit. I'm trying to add more things to it, but there will be a ton of value, literally a ton, inside of this mentorship. So if that's something you're interested in, all right, you want to take your trading to the next level, and I'm talking to the next level, you want to become a profitable trader, you want to make consistent payouts, consistent profitability, then of course it's going to be for you. It's not going to be cheap, but yeah. Will the mentorship come with lifetime access? Yes, it will. It will. Since it is on the pricey side, it will definitely come with lifetime access, 100%, because lifetime access is worth $1,000 anyway, so that will be included. If we go half position size and we lose twice, usually it takes 2 to 3 trades to get back running up. Yeah, so you're only meant to half size once. I do recommend you guys build a buffer of 20 trades. So it will take you 20 trades to blow that account without halving your position size. That way, it's a lot easier, okay? And after a trade, you don't have to half. So that's what I do. I don't half my position size, and I have them 20 trades. So if I take 20 trades in a row, then obviously I've blown my accounts, but that's never happened to me. Okay, if you take 20 trades in a row and they're all losses, then I don't think you should be trading. But if you guys build a buffer like that, then that way you don't have to half your position size. But for now, if you're starting out, of course, half your position size. Risk management is very important. What price, or will it be included in the monthly price? No, mentorship will literally be a totally separate product that you guys can purchase if you're serious about becoming better at trading. If I am ready lifetime access, I can have the mentorship. Yes, you can still have the mentorship. I mean, you will have to pay for it. The mentorship, that's just something I've added in there, is a lifetime access. So since you're a lifetime member, potentially I would do some sort of a discount for lifetime members for mentorship. That's a very good idea. Any tips on how to improve psychology regarding losses, plus focuses more on trading than making money? Yeah, so just focus on building good habits. Don't focus on money. What's helped me as well is just accepting the risk, guys. So before you take a trade, before you go into a trade, just tell yourself, I'm happy with losing this amount of money, this much amount of risk. I'm accepting that risk, whether it goes my way or whether it doesn't. I don't care about the outcome. That way, you're going to be way less emotional inside that trade, because you're not expecting anything. If you go into a trade expecting a positive outcome and it goes against you, you're going to be way more emotional than if you were to go into that trade saying, you know what, if it loses, I don't really care. Your emotional, emotions and psychology is going to be way better if you accept the risk. But yeah, that's a little tip for you. How many accounts did you deploy before starting to become profitable? A ton, brother, a ton. I've spent I'd say over 10k on challenges before I started to actually, get funded and stuff. Yeah, over 10k, probably even more. I'll have to go back in the history, Apex and Top Step, see how much I've actually spent with them. But yeah, I'm pretty sure it's over like 10k or something. Mitigation formed. Yeah. Alright guys, we're going to be looking to take a short off this fair value gap here. If we get an entry in the next 2 minutes. Stop loss is quite big here, so we're doing 25 handles. Fixed stop. And then we'll just have 1 TP here.
Order filled.
I'm short of that, guys. Nearly stopped out there.
Order filled.
Alright, we got stopped out on that. 25 handle stop. Unfortunate. I did want my stop above the displacement candle's high. However, it's just way too big of a risk. As you can see, looks like the trade is playing out in our direction now. Yeah, just unfortunate. But it happens, guys. It does happen. And yeah, you know, you don't want to risk too much on the trade. And it looks like it's hitting TP now. Crazy. That's really unfortunate, guys. Really unfortunate. Yeah. We got stopped out by literally a few ticks, and as you can see, it's going towards our TPs now. But hey guys, it happens, alright? Don't get too frustrated. It happens. That's the game of trading. That is the game. Don't get too angry, you know. It's just something to laugh about. Just laugh it off, you know. Get off the charts, and then potentially we'll come back in a second macro, see if we get anything. I mean, hey, at least we were right about the direction of the trade. That's all that matters. We just got stopped out. Don't want to risk too much. Obviously, if you had your stop just there, about above the displacement candles high, which I usually do, it would have worked out for you. However, it's a 40 handle risk, guys, and I don't feel comfortable putting that much amount of money on the table. I'll see you lot in the second macro, right? Take it easy, boys. Okay, we're at 15-minute bearish. See how this gap gets respected here. If we keep continuing to push higher, or if this gets inversed, and this could just be a retracement leg to keep going lower. But we'll see. Give it 3 minutes here. Preferably I want to see this get respected and push higher. Okay, ES is displacing lower as of now. And we do have an SMT going on as well. NQ hit that high, ES hasn't. So this could potentially just be a retracement leg to go lower. But we'll see. Okay. Yes, disrespected it. I'm gonna try longs, guys.
Order filled.
All right. TP1 at the high there. So we'll take one off. Boom. TP1 smashed. So 25 points secured. Close 50%. All right. And I'm going to be targeting this high here. 3.7. Take another one off there. Zero 5.2, sum of 5. Move my stops there, so pretty much a risk-free trade now. Move stops. I'm going to be closing a further 30% here.
Order filled.
And that second TP will just be our final TP, alright? Yeah, this could push way higher. So you could have multiple TPs run it all the way to data highs. But I don't want to be sat here all day. I just want to get a piece of the pie, and yeah, But yeah, we've closed up 8% now, so. Let's have a look at the chat. Most likely retracement leg. Yeah, could be. Bro, why is your position not shown on the screen? It is. Okay, we're most likely going to get stopped here.
Order filled.
Alright, stopped out there, guys. All good. Loss has been recovered. Yeah, we took a little loss in the morning. 75 handles. We made 63 handles back, and yeah, that's what I was done for the day. We're up in a little profit. Good way to end the week as well. So we were up pretty nice in the week. It should be around 100 handles this week and a few weeks. And yeah, guys. So yeah, anyways, hopefully you lot enjoyed. Hopefully you lot secured some profits in that as well. You should be around 80% of your position. We closed a further contract here once we got to this order block here, and we closed this imbalance. I decided to close a further contract since this could just be a retracement leg to go lower, and as you can see, it does look like it. So I'm very glad we closed out 80% of a position there and secured very nice gains. But yeah, guys, other than that, I shall see you lot next week.